Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Discord API error JavaScript fatal error on Windows. The first thing you should do is completely close Discord. Even if the app window is closed, Discord may still be running in the background. Right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for every process named Discord. Right-click each one and choose End Task. This makes sure no Discord files are being used while you fix the problem. Next, remove Discord's cached and configuration files. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata%, and press Enter. Find the Discord folder, right-click it, and select Delete. After that, press Windows plus R again, type %localappdata%, and press Enter. Delete the Discord folder from this location as well. These folders store temporary data that can become corrupted and cause JavaScript or API errors. The final step is to reinstall Discord. Open your web browser and go to the official Discord download page. Download the latest Windows installer and run it. Follow the installation steps until the setup is complete. Then launch Discord and sign in again. Thanks for watching.